Who else has not come? और कोई? Girls, 3 only or 2 more. Yeah.
Sir, the homework was 7
Homeworks were there. Given homeworks are done.
Yes, sir. Which question?
He got the homework. Let me see.
Yeah.
Take homework. Your result will come.
Yes.
Or your result. Good. Good. Right. Your result has come.
Yes.
Result has come.
Yes.
Take out the homework.
Yes, sir.
Hey, your friend bench seat now. Sit on. Take friend bench now. No, don't sit at all. Let's pass it this side. Hey, take out the homework. Let's write.
I have talked.
Hello, what is it you are talking all the time?
Sir, I'm telling.
When I come to you, you tell me na. Your book is with me. No. So what are you talking? Signature. Who is it? Who? Stand up. Now signature means homework not done. That's what you send message. Okay. Your homework. Yes. Done. Well. Signature. That's it. Your no signature means no homework. You're not sure for discussion. This mobile is out there. Show me your why? What told me, I will set message homework not done. I said, what is your game? This is right property. See. Right. This is what the right property. Okay. And why you like it? It's how we take our personal. It's wrong. Our steps are wrong. And where are these steps equal and wrong? No. Steps are wrong. Yeah. You have any problem with it? We cannot write this one. These all steps are wrong. Okay. This is coefficient. Okay. Signature not this. You have done everything. Sit down. Give us. Five is not done. That's not done. So we yours. All done. Okay. Minus beta whole square. That I'm going to put it in. Yeah. Your homework. Where is the homework? Homework. Homework. There are two questions are done. Now homework also not done. Why? It's already last week, more than a week it is over now. Why forgot? It's not 1 day, 2 day, more than 1 week. What next time? Next time I'll make you to do it over here as well as call your parents over here. Ready now? Ready, stay. So Kalumpati from there, imagine your parents are coming. It's difficult. Okay. And you all are, I need the signatures, it's compulsory. Okay. Doing as well as get a signature. You are that writing and you have to change it. Okay. Yours, I think you don't know. You know which chapter we are doing now? Polynomials. Okay. So next class I need all of you. Okay, signature. You all sign that and you sign. Sit down. Sit down. Okay. Now I'll tell you the homework clarifications. Okay, complete standard formula and all learned. Huh? You half the time you big talks only going on. When I ask, you're not formula not learned. So do one thing, how many before going home, sit over here and write all the formula 25 times each. That's enough. 25 is enough or more. Tell. You decide. They also like behaving like Naman only now. Not different between you and Naman. So write the right. We will. Parents are here. Not great. So that is right. So right. Okay. So next who is the other one? You. Yes. Formula don't learn. Okay, what is the alpha square plus beta square formula?
Alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2.
Minus 2 alpha beta. Okay, very good. What is the alpha plus beta? What is the formula?
So minus beta.
Minus beta. Alpha beta
Is MC.
very good. So you done. Okay. What is alpha q plus beta q? Very good. Okay. Then what is the product of the root formula? Product of the zeros.
Product of the zeros is equal to constant term upon coefficient.
Coefficient of x. Sit down. Then sum of the zeros minus b by a in terms sum of the zeros means in terms of
Negative coefficient of x.
x.
X upon coefficient of x.
Repeat.
Negative coefficient of x upon
Coefficient of x square. Okay, what is alpha raised to 4 plus beta raised to 4?
alpha square plus beta square whole square minus 2 alpha beta square.
Alpha beta. You learn. Okay, what is alpha cube plus beta cube?
Alpha plus beta minus 3 alpha beta.
3 alpha beta times alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta formula? Minus beta. What is the quadratic formula for polynomial?
Ax square plus bx plus c.
Where a is
A is not equal.
very good. Sit down. Okay, so what is the geometrical meaning of zeros of the quadratic polynomial? Yeah, it's very simple, na? Geometrical meaning of Q.
Sir, it is the
Standard.
is the point where the graph intersects the
Your points where the graph intersects the X axis, not correct. Forgot. So, what is the formula for alpha square plus beta square?
Alpha plus beta whole square minus 12.
Minus 2 alpha beta. You this one. How many zeros are there for a quadratic polynomial? At the most. At the most. Do you know what the meaning of at the most? Maximum 2. You can tell maximum 2 zeros. Okay. Okay. So what is the sum of the zeros formula?
Alpha plus beta is equal to minus beta upon
In the terms of words, you tell
minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x.
both you have to remember. Okay, that's why I'm making to you. You learned everything. What is alpha cube plus beta cube? Alpha beta. Little more properly tell na.
Alpha plus beta
All cube plus wrong na. Same school. Number also same. The other people are not learning. Others are learning and coming. This fellow said, I don't know anything. You at least try. You will not work, my dear. You these all required now. The questions are there now. I am not asking new thing. Even 9th standard also I did not ask. You learned, I did ask you. No. What is alpha square plus beta square? Not learn, not done the homework, nothing is done. Coming and going, you will not learn anything, my dear. What is alpha square plus beta square? Minus 2 alpha beta. At least 5 times different people said. So please learn this not without this one. Immediately we are going to conduct the test for the chapter polynomial. That it will immediately start. Mark 0 comes, parents will run over here and come. Today we learn very years last time also you did not tell. You remember the identity. Today also you standing. You will not work. It's not that way, na. You have to learn. Any problem you have? School, no problem. School is holiday was there. School was holiday today, na. So you have to sit and do it. We don't have. After a week we are coming, right? Lot of things being okay. Not that much, no. Sit down. Sit down. Yeah. For doubts, you tell me which is the question doubt you said.
Yes.
Fifth one. Before going to the fifth one, we have done the classwork completed. How many are not done? 2 questions more to do. First, let's complete that one. After that, I will come to your doubts and okay. So, question number, you mean to say question number 7 and 8, no? Yes, 7 and 8. Let's finish that one, and after that, I will. You have the volume with you, no? Do you have the volume? UT textbook, okay. Page number 20. Taken page number 20. You read the question number 7. Here this girl.
If the sum of the square of the zero of
Which one you are reading? Classwork or homework? You are reading homework, no? Classwork.
if alpha and beta are the zero of the quadratic polynomial.
Quadratic polynomial.
F is
F of x.
if what's that?
F of x. F of x.
Is equal to k square
K square of
x square plus fx plus
x
sorry 4x
plus 4x.
plus 4 such that alpha square plus beta square is equal to 24. Find the value of k.
Alpha square plus beta square is equal to 24. So, this quadratic polynomial f of x has the zeros. What are the zeros of this polynomial? Alpha and beta. So, from here we can get the relation now. What is for that one? We can find the value of a, b, c. What are a, b, c? A is equal to k, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 4. Do you know what is the property for k? What is the property of k? What is k here? What is K? A. So what is the property of A?
K is not.
A should not be 0 now. So remember K cannot be 0. Because A cannot be 0. That you remember. Why I am telling means at the answer if you get K equal to 0 means you will write it is not possible. Okay. So then next is alpha plus beta is equal to formula is minus B by A. That is alpha plus beta minus B by A means minus 4 by K. Alpha beta is equal to C by A. Alpha beta is C by A means what is it? 4 upon K. We have the formula of alpha square plus beta square. So now immediately write the formula. What is the identity? Alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha beta whole square minus 2 times alpha beta. We can put the value of alpha square plus beta square. What is the value of alpha square plus beta square? 24. We place 24. What is the value of alpha beta? Alpha plus beta? Minus 4 upon K. Its whole square. Minus. What is it? Alpha beta is what? 4 upon 2 times 4 upon. I hope all of you followed. You have little problem, isn't it? This is new thing. All others followed? Followed. See, look, all the steps. Now we have to simplify and get the value. How to simplify? 24 is equal to square of minus 4 is how much? 16 upon K square minus 8 upon K. What is to be done now? LCM. So LCM and you are taking what like here? 16 minus 8K upon K square. Do you know what the meaning of LCM? Same denominator has to make here K. So multiply and divide by K or LCM. Cross multiply. So what we get here? 24K square is equal to 16 minus 8K. This also followed. We can, this is not linear. This is quadratic now. So quadratic means make it to the quadratic form. 24K square plus 8K minus 16 is equal to 0. You can simplify this one. How will you simplify? Whenever equal to equations can be simplified. How will you simplify? Divided by 8. Is it or not? Everywhere 8 is common. So dividing by 8. 8 is divided means 24 by 8. 24 by 8 is 3. 3K square. Plus 8K, that is 1K minus 2 is equal to 0 by 8 is 0. Remember, you can divide for the equation. Here you cannot divide. Because it is not equation. That means you have to divide this side also. F of x by something. So this one. Now, how will you get? This is quadratic one. How will you solve this one? Factorize. How will you factorize this one? Splitting middle term. How will you split middle term? Product this one. Product is how much? Which are two numbers?
6.
Product is minus 6 and sum is 1. Which are the numbers? Who will tell?
3 and minus.
5, 9.
3 and minus.
Minus
Minus.
3 minus 2, 5, 1, 1, minus 6, 1, different. Tell. First, look here, once again, right. Product is minus 6, sum is equal to 1. He said 3 and minus 2.
2 and minus.
That is for 3 and minus 2. You 6 and minus 1 check. 6 into minus 1 is minus 6, but 6 minus 1. Minus 1. So which is our number? 3 and minus 2. Therefore, this will come 3K square plus 3K minus 2K minus 2 is equal to 0. From here you can take 3K as common. What is left out? K plus 1. Minus 2 is taken common. K plus 1 is equal to 0. So K plus 1 times 3K plus, not plus 3K minus 2 equal to 0. So K plus 1 is equal to 0. 3K minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, K value is equal to how much? Minus 1. Or K value is equal to how much? 2 upon 3. Therefore, two values of K is what? K value is minus 1 or 2 by 3. Check the steps. All the steps you check. Which are the steps? This is the still how to do it. Check. Important that all the steps are clearly written. Yes. Problem? You have follow. What is your doubt? Yes, man. No. Any of the step, if you have problem, tell me. Please got doubt. What is factorization? Check now. This is splitting middle term. 9th standard is studied now. Factor, even the first question you did now, product is AC, 3 into minus 2 minus 6, sum is 1. So which are the numbers? 3 2s are 6, 3 minus 2 1. So we took 3 here minus 2 here. And splitting middle term factorization. Do it. All of you do. Take the ring of Henry. This girl who is in online, Varsha. Varsha, can you hear me? Hmm? Acha, Varsha, your boy. Acha. What is your name? Hello,
Armya, sir, Armya.
Agneya. So you change the name, it's written as Varsha, na? Agneya, na?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
So, you run the homework.
Sir, no, sir, I was not there.
Why? Your last class you are not there?
Sir, I was there, but I was, sir, I did not get the homework.
And you did not get the book, UT volume. So collect it now. You are from which school?
APG,
JPJ where?
Nirul.
Nerul. You once he came to Nerul? No, that was other way.
Hmm.
Chalo, right. Okay, where is the other one? Ah. And you know which chapter we are doing?
So, yes, sir.
Polynomials we are doing.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
which chapter is done?
Sir, 2 chapters are done.
Which are they?
Real and polynomials.
Acha. So this is polynomial, we are getting it over, okay?
Yes, sir.
Listen carefully. Your school which chapter started now? No, your 10th is not started. You? Albardi not started yet? Your school? What chapter is going on now? Linear. Acha, chapter 2 and 3 done. And 2 chapters are on this. You two are not doing anything. Hey, hello. You also not studying. We have to keep you back. What's your name? Huh? Smith. Complete fast. If any of the step we have problem, please tell me. We will discuss.
हम्म नहीं होमवर्क मिळाला दुसरा विचारतोय.
Agnya,
Yes, sir.
mute. Mute. Completed all of you. Done any of the step? This doubt is there? Tell me.
8,000, but why did you do it?
Hmm?
8 common, right?
Dividing by 8.
Then it's divided into 8.
That is divide throughout by 8 now. So this by 8, this everything. Equation you can divide now, reducing. This is what dividing. By 8. From equation, okay. Look, keep in mind this condition. Suppose if it is a polynomial, you cannot divide. Is all of you completed? First. Doubt. Problem. You. Look here, all of you listen. If a polynomial is given 8x squared minus 16x plus 12, this is called quadratic polynomial. What is common throughout? 4 is
4.
common. Can you divide by 4? No. Whereas if I write this way, 8x squared minus 16x plus 12 is equal to 0. It becomes an equation. Here you can divide by 4. Because here you can divide by 4 and you will get as what we get 4 2x squared minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0 by 4, which is equal to 0. Whereas if it is given this way, for example, if it is f of x is equal to this one, here this cannot be reduced. Here you can reduce. Follow the difference. Okay, so don't write this is same as this one. Where it is polynomial means no simplification. Okay, whereas the equation means you can reduce. You can reduce means common factor can be cancelled. Hope the difference is clear. Okay, now next. So this is the one question we did it. Okay, next question number. Which one? 8th one, no? Okay, read the question. Dash the.
Well, find beta the 0 of the quadratic polynomial of x is equal to x square minus x minus 2.
F of x equal to x square
minus x minus 2.
Okay.
Find the polynomial whose zeros are 2 alpha plus 1 and 2 beta plus 1.
So, are you followed? Another important type of questions. Question sometimes even come for 5 marks also. Yes, still he is not written. Taking lot of time for you. Completed.
So
I will do with. Let's do this one now. First. Please listen. Here, what is the question says? What are alpha and beta? Zeros of which polynomial? X square minus x minus 2. What is the question? You have to make a new polynomial whose zeros are which one? 2 alpha plus 1 and 2 beta plus 1. Okay, 2 alpha plus 1, 2 beta plus 1. Different ways you can do it. One of the method I am going to do it. First is what is A? A is how much? 1. What is the value of B? Minus 1. C? Minus 2. Now we will find out alpha plus beta. What is the value of alpha plus beta? Minus B by A. Minus B by A means how much? Minus 1 upon 1. So alpha plus beta is equal to 1. Alpha beta, what is the formula? C upon. That is equal to minus 2 upon 1. So alpha beta is equal to minus 2. This also is clear, all of you? Now, next is here the following new zeros. What are the new zeros are given?
2 alpha plus 1.
New zeros are 2 alpha plus 1, comma 2 beta plus 1. So we will find its sum and its product. How will we find the? So we will write the next is sum of new zeros is equal to, we will add both of them, 2 alpha plus 1 plus 2 beta plus 1. So if you are adding, what you can do, this can be written as, what will you write here? This is 2 alpha plus 2 beta plus 1 plus 1 is how much? 2. Okay, can you add these 2 alpha plus 2 beta and write 4 alpha beta? Is it 4 alpha beta? What is he writing? What are you writing? Come explain. You know how to do it? How is it copying it and you're not able to do it or what? So can you write 2 alpha plus 2 beta equal to 4 alpha beta? No.
No, sir.
Cannot. Okay. What you can do this one means we can take 2 as common from these two. What is 2 is common means what is left out? Alpha plus beta plus 2. Now, what is the value of alpha plus beta? 1. So we replace that is equal to 2 into 1 plus 2. What is 2 into 1 plus 2? 2 plus 2 which is equal to 4. So sum of new zeros you got it is equal to 4. That which you followed. Now we will find out product of new zeros. Is equal to 2 alpha plus 1. Product means multiply. Multiplication, remember, if more than one term, bracket is compulsory. So 2 beta. We'll open this bracket. You know how to multiply? Yes, multiply. 4 alpha beta. Then over. Plus 1.
So I see
2 alpha beta.
that's 12.
So 2 alpha into 2 beta, you got 4 alpha beta. Next is what? 2 alpha into 1. That is equal to plus 2 alpha. Then plus 1 into 2 beta. That is 2 beta. Plus 1 into 1. 1. Are you followed? Check. 2 alpha into 2 beta, 4 alpha beta. 2 alpha into 1, 2 alpha. 1 into 2 beta, and 1. Now, simplification, little more simplification, 4 alpha beta. Plus, from these two, we can take what common? 2 is common. What is left out? Alpha plus beta plus 1. Now check, what is the value of alpha beta? Alpha beta is what? Minus 4 times minus 2. Plus 2 times, what is the value of alpha beta? Alpha plus beta, 1 plus 1. So how much? Minus 8 plus 2 plus 1. How much you got? What's the answer?
-5.
Minus
5.
Okay, 2 plus 1 is 3, minus 5. So you got product is equal to minus 5. So sum is equal, sum of the zeros is equal to 4, you got product of the zeros equal to minus 5, you got. This much all of you follow?
Yes.
Then, beyond that, now you know how to make the polynomial. We are done, yes. Some of them, make the common denominator. What is it, sir? Common denominator means nothing there means 1. 1. This can be written as what? Minus b upon a. Because a small a, b, c used is equal to c upon a. So can you tell me what are the values of a, b, c? A is equal to how much? 1. Capital A is equal to 1. B minus b is equal to how much? 4. Therefore, b is equal to how much? Minus 4. And c is equal to minus 4. See? Both the denominator should be same. If the denominator is not same, we have to make it same. Okay, by making LCM. So it is 1, and this also is 1. So therefore, A is minus b is equal to 4, b equal to minus 4. Therefore, what is your polynomial? What is the polynomial? Ax square. Yes or no? Plus bx plus c. Then what is the value of ax square? 1x square. X square plus bx means minus 4x minus 1. This is the new polynomial. Are you followed? Okay. And general form, if you want to write means general form is k times x square minus 4x minus 5, where what? A is not equal to 0. Okay, find a quadratic polynomial means this is enough. Okay, find the general form means k multiplied. Okay, k cannot be 0. Understood all of you? Okay, so this is one method. After that, I will explain another way.
Sir, I have a doubt.
What is your doubt?
Sir, what if we, sir, like 2 alpha plus 1. So what if we put the value of alpha there?
If you have the value of alpha and beta, you can substitute.
Yes,
You have,
sir, if we solve the first equation x square minus x minus 2, we'll get alpha and beta. So we'll put the value and then we'll do x minus alpha and x minus beta.
did you follow this method?
Yes, sir.
Okay, first you write, then after that we'll discuss.
Okay.
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 So all of you follow this method. Okay. I said now there are many methods are there. One of this method. Okay, so do it all of you first. After that, I will explain the other methods. Where are completed? Follow now. Not studying, huh? Time one. Already we used now small letters here. Small ABC used now. That is why. Okay, once you use that is why we do. Completed all of you. From done. Yeah. Listen, method is clear. I'll give another question for practicing this one. Before going this one, this is the general method to do it. There is another method we can do it. We are going to discuss that method. That method cannot be done always. There are some cases only you can use it. Over here, you can find out directly the value of alpha and beta. How will you get the value of alpha and beta means if you can factorize this one. See, if I do factorization, I can do split the middle term now. Product is equal to how much? -2. Sum is equal to -1. So x square minus 2x plus 1x minus 2. That is x into x minus 2 plus 1 into x minus 2. Then it is x minus 2 times x plus 1. That is all. Okay. Therefore, the condition from here, so the factors you got, the zeros are obtained by, how do you get the zeros are obtained by? X minus 2 is equal to 0 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to -1. So you can take alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to -1. Anyone you can take, okay? If you have to take anyone. Now, therefore, sum of the zeros means instead of doing this way, I can put the value of alpha and beta. If you are putting the value of alpha and beta, how much you will get? Also, once again, I'll step 2 alpha plus 2 beta plus 2. Value of alpha is how much? 2. 2 2s are plus 2 into -1 plus 2. You can see 4 minus 2 plus 2. Same answer you got. Okay. Product of the zeros. No need to open this one. Okay. Then here you can put the value. 2 alpha plus 1 means 2 into 2 plus 1 times 2 into -1 plus 1. That is equal to 4 plus 1, 5 times -2 plus 1. -2 plus 1 is how much? -1 now. 5 into -1, which is equal to -1. So you got this one, remaining same thing. Are you followed? Okay. Yeah, this one online man, Armia.
Yes, sir.
Are you followed now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, this method cannot be used always. Where there are sometimes the question if it is coming in this way, suppose if it is coming as instead of this one, minus, that's it then. If it is -10, it is coming, carry factorize. Check, product is equal to -10, sum is equal to -1, not possible. Factors of 10 are 10 and 1, 10 minus 1 not, 5 and 2, 5 minus 2 no. In this case, the method which you have done, first method only used, you apply. So, you can do any method. If you want to find out alpha and beta like this one and do it, no problem. If you want to do sum of the zeros, product of the zeros, then also do it. Both the ways are correct ones. Are we followed all of you? No problem. Okay. If you can factorize and do it, there is absolutely no problem. Some students feel this is easy. This way finding alpha and beta. Some students feel the other one is easy. Whichever the way do it, no problem. Okay. Some of the schools will do that method, this method, any method it stops. But the second method can be applied only when you can find out alpha and beta separately. There are cases alpha and beta cannot be found out separately, then the first method we do. That's why I explained the first method first. He's searching for something. Oh, hero. Huh? All okay? Is something you have to tell? Doubt is there? No. So then write one question, let's see. If alpha and beta are the zeros of, if alpha and beta are the zeros of f of x is equal to 3x square plus 7x minus 1, 3x square plus 7x minus 1. Then below it, form a quadratic polynomial. Form a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 3 alpha plus 2 beta and 3 beta plus 2 alpha. 3 alpha plus 2 beta and 3 beta plus 2 alpha. Did you follow what is the question? If alpha and 0, beta are the zeros of the polynomial, f of x equal to 3x square plus 7x minus 1, you have to frame a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 3 alpha plus 2 beta and 3 beta plus 2 alpha. Can you do by the second method? Why?
So because the product is.
You cannot factorize, isn't it? Product is minus 3. So you have to do by first method only. Okay, so what did you write? ABC. A is equal to 3. B is equal to 7. C is equal to minus 1. Alpha plus beta minus B by A. How much? Minus 7 by 3. Alpha beta C upon A minus 1 by 3. I hope you are following.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then the new zeros. What are the new zeros? 3 alpha plus 2 beta, comma 3 beta plus 2 alpha. Now you have to substitute sum and product. So this is first you will find out sum, then you will find out the product. Try 3 alpha plus 2 beta plus 3 beta plus 2 alpha. Simplify and try to get. If not, get
minus 35 by 3.
it is great. To doing this one, product. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Sum will be easy. 3 alpha plus 3 alpha plus 2 alpha is 5 alpha. Gunpreet got why? You are not doing. When other things he will be talking 10 things he will tell. In studies, how people shut off. Why you take common? Alpha plus beta. 5 into alpha plus beta is minus 7 by 3, which is equal to minus 35 upon 3. Now product, multiply, open the bracket and simplify. It's a little complicated. Something you are following now, because you are in the middle of the chapter, end of the chapter.
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir, I have done the.
You got the product also?
Yes, sir.
Okay, wait.
Sir, can I switch off my video for a minute? I just want to
Okay.
get water bottle.
Okay. Myra got. Okay. What happened? Tell her, don't look that way. What is your doubt? Tell.
Sir, I'm not, sir, I was confused with it, but then I understand. that
Understood now?
Alpha C plus 2 alpha is equal to 5.
Okay. Whenever confusion there, ask. Then I will explain. Don't worry. Okay. Srinidhi, getting answer? No. There's our, who is the path, no? Absent. Therefore, APJ. Here you go. What's his name? Path. Path. So formula applied. It's a big number. Two. Let's say we will take. Not to be. Okay. Who got? What is your value you got? Tell now, what is this value product? 293 upon 3. I think it's a mistake now. Square and all you did. Square of 7 by 3 is how much? 7 upon 3. 49 upon. And still problem is there. Admiya, what is your answer you got?
Sir, I am checking it once.
You got? Look here. Those all of you listen. I think most of you are not able to do. That's why I made little complicated. Let's to see whether you know or not. Opening the bracket. This I hope all of you made. 3 alpha into 3 beta is 9 alpha beta. Plus 3 2s are 6 alpha square. Plus 6 beta square. Plus 4 alpha beta. This much all of you got it? Now you can see 3 and 4, 9 and 4 you can add. That is equal to how much? 13 alpha beta plus. From these two I can take 6 times alpha square plus beta square. I hope this also you got it.
Yes.
Some of you instead of that one you put the value here, there is no problem. That also is okay. Now alpha square plus beta square, you have the formula. What is the formula?
Alpha plus beta.
Alpha beta plus 6 times alpha
plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta.
Alpha beta. That is equal to. Now you can put the value 13 times. What is the value of alpha beta? Minus 1 by 3. Plus 6 times. This is coming as how much? Minus 7 by 3 the whole square. Minus 2 times minus 1 by 3. That is equal to minus 13 upon 3 plus 6 into. This will come 49 upon 9 minus plus 2 by 3. This much anyone got? When you can open the bracket, then you open the bracket, you can see minus 13 upon 9 plus this one I can multiply means 6 into 49 by 3 plus 6 into 2 by 3. Why I wrote this one means I got 49 by 9. This I can cancel. Those are 3s are.
Sir, how I must do my 9?
39 for 9, not 9, 3 only, sorry. Minus 13 by 3 plus 98 by 3 plus 12 by 3. If you want to cancel, then LCM you have to take. Same thing you got? Okay, no. Check the stage. Then how much you got? This is coming as minus, 98 minus 1 is 97 by 3. Who got 97 by 3? 1. Very good.
Human mind.
Huh? Check now. Did you get this way?
I didn't get minus 13 by
What you got minus
9.
minus 9 by 3 and minus 4 by 3. What now? First term was minus 9 by 3 now.
Yes.
And this is minus 4 by 3. That is equal to minus 13 by 3. This bracket you check you made correct or not? That is the one thing you have to see that. Is it This is 6 is multiplied here also. So it's look like correct only 49. This is 2 is how much? 98 now. 98 by 3. And this is how minus 3 has come. Actually minus 9. Okay. So that it should come now. Minus 1 And where is this 4 is gone? Minus 3 plus 1 is, so minus 1 is come plus 1, na? So put plus 1, make it as plus. Then make it as plus. So how much?
Minus.
97 by 3, na? Yes or no? See, 3 minus 4 is minus 90. 97 by 3. I hope all of you followed now. See, one letter change means the question become complicated. That's all. So you got the sum of the zeros. This is equal to minus b upon a. Because the denominator is same. This is c upon a. Therefore, what is the value of a? A is equal to 3. Minus b is equal to how much? Minus 35. So b is equal to 35. C is equal to 97. Therefore, the polynomial is 3x squared plus 35x plus 97. Three x square plus 35x plus 97. ABC, no? Okay. This only part not for problem was there. Product, no, be careful about that. NCERT textbook is there, anyone? How many you have brought it? Can you show me once? Complete all of you. Previously, this textbook was double of this thickness. Reduced and they will be small things. Completed.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Completed. So this one little complicated form. So you have to be one type of question. I will give it as a homework of this one. Okay, one more of this one. So right, if alpha and beta are the zeros of, yes, this is a homework. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial 2x square minus 7x, 2x square minus 7x plus 5. Okay, form a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 3 alpha plus, or not 3 alpha, 2 alpha plus beta and 2 beta plus alpha. Okay. Okay, form the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are same similar question. Okay, Shivam, completed. Question is written.
In the previous question, you gave some of the new zeros. I don't understand how to obtain pi alpha plus square.
3 alpha plus 2 alpha,
Pi
2 beta plus 5, 3 beta, 5 beta. Because what are the new zeros were in the previous question? 3 alpha plus 2 beta, na? And 3 beta plus 2 alpha. And These two terms can be added, 3 alpha plus 2 alpha. These two can be added. Understood or not?
Yes.
Okay, like terms can be combined. Any other problems? Ask your doubts. Don't look, just sit and look at whatever is written, copy and go. I'll clarify problems. Whenever doubts are there, clarify. Okay, so that coming it will be easier for you. Okay. 2-3 things more I had to, the chapter is almost over. 2-3 things more I have to give you. First is done. Problem.
No.
All of you, Shivam completed. Or still writing, write fast, yours is going
Then
slow.
the zeros of cubic polynomial one comes from.
That's thing I'm going to explain. Okay. Generally it doesn't come, but I will explain because it's given in the textbook. Okay. Yeah. First thing is listen. If you have sum of zeros and product of zeros, quadratic polynomial can be written as x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. Simply or sum and product, right? Don't need to write. X square minus sum into x. Sum means sum of the zeros plus product. This is the first condition you are going to tell. Every quadratic polynomial can be written as x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. Okay, every question that is, this is another formula. It's not required, but an additional. Sometimes in the MCQs and all comes. Okay, that is it. So right, not. By the way, everyone is looking. By break needed. Break needed.
Yes, sir.
Oh, so then after 5 minutes of break, I'll give. Okay, he is looking at and your friend. Is your friend? I'll do.